How to fix Instagram app crashing. Firstly, go to App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. Now look for any updates that may be available for the app. If there are updates available, then make sure to update the application. If there are no updates available, go back to your homepage, navigate to the Instagram app and tap and hold on the app. Then click on the eye icon at the top right corner to go to App Info. Select Storage and click on the Clear Cache option at the bottom right corner. Now again, go back to your home page. If the issue still isn't resolved, then make sure to reinstall the Instagram app. Uninstall it first and reinstall it from Play Store. Sometimes, because of a lot of app running in the background, it might cause lag, so make sure that you are clearing up background apps time to time. This way, your device cache gets released. Also, don't forget to give your device a quick restart. Sometimes minor issues like this can be fixed with a simple restart. So that's all for today. Thank you.